Good morning, everyone. In today's class, we will discuss digital marketing process. How we develop a strategy, then how we launch the campaigns, marketing campaigns, right? And for any marketing event or any marketing campaign, we need to know objectives of our client. What are the different objectives and goals that client want to achieve? Client's objective may be brand building. That is everyone, most of the people or the people in the segment or consumer in the segment must know that there is such a product exist, there is such a brand exist which are manufacturing such and such products. When we call it brand awareness, just creating awareness. We are not selling anything in brandness. We are not selling online anything, at least. Definitely, we are selling something only, then we are going to create the brand awareness. So, we will not be, the advertisement will not be interactive, it will be just for showing, just creating awareness about a product or a service or an event and whatever it is. This may be one objective. The objective may be getting visitors on website, shopping site, of course. This can be one objective, and generating leads. And lead is what? When we call it, when we use the term lead generation, lead is an explicit information submitted by visitors of the website, consumers, prospective customers, explicit information when they submit and put their information on a small form. The information may be only email address. We of course find many places. Before downloading this, please submit your email address. That is what you are submitting, your email address. One lead has been generated by that company so that they can send you emails, educational emails or salesy emails to your email box. You have subscribed for these emails. That is one lead generation. Or lead generation form may require your name, your email address, and your contact number, your physical address, right? That depends upon the different companies and services, whatever. That can be another objective. I said one objective may be brand awareness, the objective may be lead generation, objective may be conversion. Conversion, when we talk about conversion, we talk about sales. Maybe subscription, like Netflix. Sales means subscription for multiple months or a single month or 2 months or 3 months. If such products are there, right? Online products delivered online, like Netflix and others. These products will be delivered online, right? The objective, when we talk about the problem, we talk about we at first we have to know our client's business. The first goal is to know your client's business. The second thing is to know about your clients, consumers, prospective customers. Who are they? The third thing is know your client's objectives. What clients wants to achieve. Clients wants to achieve sales, conversions, revenue, or lead generation at the first stage, or awareness, brand awareness. We must know our clients' objectives. Now, our assignments are know your client's business at first, know your client's customers, who are customer, right? And a segment, of course, customer segment. How much they are educated, their paying capacity, gender, age group, right? Eating, their habits, reading habits, habits on internet, online habits, which social media platform they use, We have to define basically. We have to define prospective customers, buyer persona, we say, defining prospective customers, defining buyer persona, so that we can target them. We define, well define the segment of customers, only then we will be using the methods to target them. That is the first step, is to know all these things before going for a digital marketing campaign. Of course, that is required in case of a traditional or conventional marketing campaign as well. We must know our client business. We must know our clients' prospective customers. We must know our clients' objectives, marketing and sales objectives, branding objectives. Right? The first point is this. The second thing is strategizing, making strategy, making moves, designing a marketing strategy. Right? That means if the client's budget is around 1 lakh rupees per month for marketing, right? Then we have to define which digital marketing method you are going to implement. Either you are opting for Google search advertising, you are opting for Google, working on Google search engine optimization, that is another thing. You are opting for Google display advertising. If you are opting for display advertising, then which types of display advertising, which will be the sites, placements, what will be the keywords you are going to target, right? Display advertising. Are you going for mobile advertising, targeting customers, consumers on mobile? Because I've just talked about these 4 ways, methods of digital marketing, and all involves money. Or you are going for social media advertising. If we talk about social media advertising, then even then we must know about Instagram advertising, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. Right? Multiple ways, methods of advertising online are there. We all know. Or we are going for a remarketing campaign. Right? So which methods you are using? That is what strategy. Because we cannot invest, that is, budget is limited, that is 1 lakh rupees. So we have to divide in top 3-4 channels. Before launching a campaign, we must know about keywords, we must know about on which channel we have to invest how much on daily basis. What will be daily budget for Instagram? What will be daily budget for YouTube? What will be the daily budget for Google search advertising? Right? This is what making strategies. And secondly, which types of advertising you are going to use. Ads basically, ad format you are going to use. The type of ad format you are going to use. You may be using image ads, you may be using text plus image ads, that is rich media ads we call. You may be going for video advertising. So you have to design with your design team, with your creative team, you have to design such advertisements. This is all in strategizing process. This is all in strategy, covers in strategy, right? Because of course, if we are going for advertising campaigns on Instagram, so we need high resolution images, we need good videos, right? If we have decided that we are going for Instagram advertising. If we are going for search engine advertising, search engine marketing, search advertising on Google, then we need some text. We need selected taglines, text for particular advertisements with images as well. Right? So we have to design, we have to finalize our channels. We are going to invest our money in advertisements. Secondly, we have to design our advertisements accordingly, whether they are text ads or for search engine advertising or video ads or image ads. Right? This is what building the campaign. Now you have to target. In building the campaign, you will finalize different advertisement formats as I have discussed, and targeting. Keyword. What keyword you are going to use? We will discuss later in detail about keywords. What keywords you are going to use, that you have to finalize. Different advertisement formats and multiple advertisement ads we use when we will discuss about Google AdWords. We use 3-4 versions of ad. This is version 1, set 1 basically advertisement, that is set 2, that is set 4, that is 3. Because Google displays one by one, or social media advertising displays one by one these advertisements, and try to find out that which advertisements, which image or which video people are liking most, and it pitches mostly their particular advertisement there. So we build advertisements with the help of keywords, with the help of text, with the help of images, and we target our customers. As we discussed yesterday, the targeting is geographical. We are going to advertise in the whole country or in particular 2-3 cities with some radius. Gender, male, female, both, or female or male only. Age group, right? Then we have psychographic and behavioral targeting. Maybe interest based, maybe financial capacity based, how much they are earning above some limit, right? Or some hobbies, maybe eating habits, maybe bodybuilding habits, and right, health related, health conscious we say. So these are the different targeting methods. So we use here these 3-4 things in building advertisements. Then we optimize, right? Optimize for particular keywords, optimize a particular advertisements. As I said, we initially launch 2-3 sets of ad for a single campaign, single ad, right? 2-3 types of, maybe text change, maybe color change in the image, right? So then we optimize try to find out what is working basically. Optimization means what is working, what will work, right? Then we publish the advertisements. We publish, right, on different social media channels on our Google. Then we promote it we share on different channels, we invest money, we can increase our budget, right? That is promoting. And that is tracking, as we discussed yesterday about tracking. Google Analytics will help us from which ad campaign on Instagram or YouTube or Google search ads we are getting the traffic, we are getting conversions, we are getting sales, from where we are getting sales. That is the function during tracking. We'll find out. Accordingly, we refine our campaign. If we are getting sales, good sales from Instagram visitors, getting good number of visitors from Instagram, then of course we will invest more on Instagram campaign. If you are getting more visitors or buyers from Google search advertising, then of course we will spend more on Google search advertising. We will guide our client to spend more on Google search advertising. We can change our keywords. We analyze during that process. We also analyzes the keywords users using to reach us, to find us, right? Keyword is what? Keyword is simply the search query which we type on Google search bar, that we call keyword, that we digital marketers call keyword, that anyone, we, you, I, anyone types on Google search bar or speaks on Google search bar, that we call keyword. So we also try to find out which strings of words, which keywords, which search queries our consumers are typing or speaking to Google to find out our product or services. So we refine campaign at this level by the help of Google Analytics or other third-party analytics, right? Which campaign source are working good, from which medium, either from YouTube or from Google search advertising or from Facebook or from Instagram, from where we are receiving good amount of relevant traffic. Not only traffic, not only visitors, that should be relevant to our business. That is, who will convert and who are buying, who are fulfilling our objectives, our marketing objectives that our client had told us, right? That is on the process of refining the campaign. Then we will adjust the campaign accordingly. We will adjust our strategy accordingly. We will adjust our goals. We can subdivide our goals at that stage in refining our campaign. Getting the point? That is all about digital marketing process, right? Thank you very much. Thanks for the deal.